fundamental rights. The Cripps missions of 1942 referred to fundamental rights. Right option is option number A. The Nehru Report 1928 had advocated the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution. The Nehru Report 1928 was in favor of inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. So option A is correct. Next question is, which one of the following statement is correct? Option sir. Rights are claims of the state against the citizens. Rights are privileges which are incorporated in the constitution of a state. Rights are claims of the citizens against the states. Rights are privileges of a few citizens against the many. Right option is option number C. Rights are claims of the citizens against the state. Rights are essential for the complete development of human beings. The importance of rights has expanded immensely and has given birth to the concept of fundamental rights, human rights, etc. Rights imposed restrictions on the powers of the states. These are a guarantee against the state actions. Thus, rights are claims of the citizens against the state. So, C is the right option. Rights are claim of the citizen against the state. So, next question is, which of the following is given the power to enforce the fundamental rights by the Constitution? Options are all courts in India, the Parliament, the President, the Supreme Court, and the High Court. Right option is option number D, the Supreme Court and the High Court. Article 13 of the Constitution grants power of judicial review to the Supreme Court and High Court is the in the case of violations of the fundamental rights. The Supreme Court Article 32 and the High Court Article 226 is exercising their power may declare may any law or enactment passed by the legislature void or unconstitutional or ground of contravention to the fundamental rights. So right option is option number D, the Supreme Court and High Court. The Supreme Court and High Court is given the power to enforce fundamental rights by the Constitution. So next question is, fundamental rights are options are justifiable, non-justifiable, flexible, and rigid. Right option is option number is justifiable. The fundamental rights are enforceable by the courts subject to certain restrictions. So next question is, who among the following persons said for the fundamental rights a pledge to our people and a pact with the civilized world? Right option is option number D, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. In the world of our philosopher King Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the fundamental rights are as pledge to our people and a pact with the civilized world, and as the great jurist Patanjali Sastri, the former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, said the whole object of Part 3 of the Constitution is to provide protection for the freedoms and rights mentioned therein against arbitrary invasions by the state. So next question is, the rights are called fundamental rights because it is written in the Constitution, it is democratic, it is public welfare, it is essential for personality development. Right option is option number C, 1, 4 and 5. It is written in the Constitution, it is essential for personality development, and Parliament cannot make law against it. The fundamental rights are written in the Constitution, they are essential for personality development. Parliament cannot make law against them since they are a part of basic structure of the Constitution. Fundamental rights options are cannot be suspended, can be suspended by order of Prime Minister, can be suspended on the will of President, can be suspended during emergency. Right option is option number D, can be suspended during emergency. Fundamental rights can be suspended during emergency. Okay, the fundamental rights are natural and non-transferable rights. Fundamental rights can only be suspended during emergency, for which provision has been given under Article 358 and 359 of the Constitution. Fundamental rights under Article 20 and 21 can never be suspended. Okay, the next question is, what is meant by rule of law? Options are 1 act for all and 1 judiciary for all, 1 act for all and 1 state for all, 1 state for all and 1 judiciary for all, 1 acts for one and 1 judiciary for all, none of the above. Right option is option number A, 1 act for all and 1 judiciary for all. The rule of law implies that the creation of law was their enforcement and relationship amongst legal rules are themselves legally regulated, so that no one including the most highly pledged official is above the law. The legal constraint on rules means that the government is subject to exercising laws as much as its citizens are. Thus, a closely related nations is the idea of equality before the law, which holds that no legal person shall enjoy privileges that are not extended to all, and that no person shall be immune from legal sanctions. So next question is, which of the following are regarded as the main features of the rule of law? Options are limitation of powers, equality before law, people's responsible to the government, liberty and civil rights. Right option is option number C, liberation of powers and equality before law, and liberty and civil rights. So next question is, the President of India has the power to suspend it fundamental rights. Fundamental rights described in Article 21, fundamental rights described in Article 21A,